today we'll be opening Lego dots. It is called the Lovebirds, and it's a Lego thing, so we have to use these things here to build one of these. We can do any design we want. It says create your own design. So we're going to create our own design today. So let's get opening. You might need some scissors because it is pretty hard to open. So we have our little Lego thing, bracelet. And we just take the cardboard off. It's like a little flappy thing, like for a bracelet, and you just wrap it on and put it, like, clip it in. Oh my gosh, guys, you can actually put them on. And also we get 33 Lego bits. Normally my Legos are really like stiff, but this one's like you can wear it, and like it's all like it's got loads of like it's a bit bendier now. And it's really fun. So to like clip on, you can make it for your mum, your dad, well, your family members, somebody tinier than you if you want to make it for them. But now I'm just going to clip it on, like this. I'm going to just clip these on, and we're going to make my own pattern. So I've just done the birds, so I can just put them on, and then we'll add some more design. So let's get the birds on. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little birds. I think I know why they're called lovebirds, because there's two. Look, we have a few more of these, so we can use them in our other patterns if you want to change them. This is going to be so cool when I change them. What do you think? Huh? This was really fun to do this. Whoa, look at all of this. It fits like a charm. All the colours I did. I did a bird, I did one of these, but it's like sideways. And I did that one. And then I put a little bird there, little feathers, and then I put two feathers. Then these kind of patterns, because I didn't use these very much, so I did that. These were just all the ones mixed together, a few of them all mixed together. And then these were the two patterns I used there. These are really fun to make and do different designs on, like I have. You might have a bit of leftovers, but that's okay because you can make different designs. I'm probably going to collect loads more. I really like these. And also I'd give this a 10 out of 10 because it's really fun to design, and it takes most of your time up, but that's good because it gives you more things to do, like activities. like building and making things. So it's like a 2-in-1 really, or whatever you want to say. Like a 4-in-1 or a 3-in-1, whatever. But click that subscribe button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye everyone. Docs, Lego. Woohoo! Bracelets.